The elf singing.
Elf singing.
An elf sat on a twig.
An elf sat on a tree.
He was not very big.
He was not very big.
He sang a little song.
He sang a little song.
He did not think it wrong,
He did not think it wrong.
but he was
But he was
on a wizard's ground.
on a wizard's ground.
Who hated all sweet sound.
Sweet sound.
Elf, elf,
Elf, elf,
take care of yourself.
take care of yourself.
He is coming behind you
He is coming behind you.
to seize you and bind you
Seize you and bind you.
and stifle your song.
Fill your song.
The wizard,
The wizard,
he changes his shape
he changes his shape.
in crawling along
Running around
an ugly old ape,
an ugly old day.
a poisonous lizard,
Poisonous lizard.
a spotted spider,
Spotted spider.
a wormy glider.
Wormy glider.
The wizard, he's up on the box.
On the book.
He will bite
He will bite
through your gizzard.
through your gizzard.
See here, repeat again. He's up on the box.
He is up on the book.
He will bite through your gizzard.
He will bite through your gizzard.
He is close to you now.
He is close to you now.
The elf went on
Elf went on
with his song.
with his song.
It grew more clear
Grew more clear
and strong.
and strong.
It lifted him into air.
It lifted him into air.
He floated singing away
He floated singing away.
with rainbows in his hair.
With rainbows in his hair.
While the wizard warmed from his crib,
While the wizard
warmed
was
from his crib,
on his feet,
made a sudden leap,
Meda suddenly
fell down into a hole,
fell down into a hole.
and his magic word, he could say, was eaten up by a mole. This poem is written by William Allingham. Okay?